Hello guys and welcome to today's video. So the video will be about GoDaddy website. GoDaddy is a popular web hosting and domain register service that has been around for many years. While it has a strong reputation for providing affordable web hosting services, its customer service and reliability reliability have been the subject of some criticism. So let's try the website ourselves. Let's head to the website and create our account. So it's a domain provider. No, I didn't click on that. Okay, so I scroll down here when it is charge free, and I found myself here creating and finding my own domain. Strange. Okay, again. Hello, let's start for free. Give us a call. Ooh, they want my number. So you can continue with your Facebook account, with Google account, or with your email. So let's continue with our Google account. So on the positive side, GoDaddy offers a wide range of web hosting plans at affordable prices, making it an attractive option for small businesses and individuals. It also has a user-friendly interface like we see right now, which makes it easy for beginners to set up a website quickly. However, the reliability of GoDaddy's services has been questioned by some users, with reports of frequent downtime and slow load time. So this helps create your website. Choose a category: band, IT service, gaming, real estate agent, or type your own. King. What? What? Nigga. What should we call our site? Don't worry, you can always change it later. Uh, ma da ra. Next. So additionally, some customers have reported difficulties getting in touch with customer support, which can be frustrating if you encounter an issue with your website. Another common criticism of GoDaddy is its aggressive upselling tactics, which can make it difficult to navigate the sign-up process without feeling pressured to purchase additional services. So welcome Madara. In this 60 seconds tour, you'll be shown the most important areas to start creating your new website. Yes, take a tour. Hello? The website tabs show a list of pages on the website and let you add new ones. Choose a page to edit content. Next, we have the team. I said next. Yes. Hello? Is this website lagging or is my PC? So the theme tab lets you customize the look and feel of the website. Here you can choose between a variety of fonts, colors, themes, and more. This is where you will add new sections to your page. You can choose different layout and click directly on the content of section to make edits. And once you are done, you can publish. So this is my website. They created for me without. Oh, I wrote king. They wrote mountain king. So now I'm a bike rider on the mountains. Okay, it feels strange. So this is the website, this is the theme, and let's head to the settings to see what do we have here? So we see the domain not published. You can manage your website. Here we have the site profile, not your profile, cookie banner, Google Analytics, Pixel, and others. I think here we have the real settings, dashboard, social marketing, close editor. So here we have your account. Nope. Here we have the designer. So let's go back to the dashboard and see where are the real settings hidden. So overall, while GoDaddy can be a good option for those looking for affordable web hosting and domain registration, it may not be the best choice for those who prioritize reliability and customer support. So the dashboard is the setting. So you can edit here your website, write about section on your website, add some informations, costumes, and others. Here we have the website, and yes, I think we went back to the editor. Sorry, I didn't mean to click on this. So unpublished website. I know I didn't click publish. Here we have the appointments. We have the marketing, the overview, the social content, the CEO, the email marketing, the blog. We have the connections and the settings, the marketing, the connections, the email marketing, the membership, and sign up forums. Let's check the memberships. So here we have the member account on. How would you like visitors to receive access to your private page? So I think account settings. That's what I'm looking for. So here you can change your email, your name. Okay, I can't wait. My profile, we have the full name, the addresses, the organization, the email, the primary phone, the mobile phone. We have the home phone, the default currency. This currency, I never heard about it. Okay, and every page on the settings have its own website. Uh, the euro, or we have the USD, the United States dollar. So here we have the notification center, the card, products, and let's go back to the dashboard or the home. So by clicking on publish, your website will be ready and visible to people, and you can still edit while it's visible to people. So here we have the website on laptops and PCs and desktops, and here the profile on the website on phones. So the website is a bit laggy. So you can go back to the editor and change the images, the titles, the header, and other settings you can do on your own depending on your business. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.